Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Today I am here with the a review of Apple Watch Series 5. Apple Watch Series 5 is the product from Apple company that is a brand in all over the world and one of the famous brand in all over the world. If we take a look toward the specifications, the Apple Watch Series 5 add an always-on display, so it can shows the time all the time, and added complex aids navigation and improvement elevation reading, cellular models gain and international SOS modes. Battery life remains a day a half at best. No new health features, and the watch lack native sleep tracking. Need an iPhone to set up and work. Offer only Apple growing but limited selections of watch faces. Apple's subtly improved watch adds a key overdue features and improved software with this update, but in it remains largely the same great smartwatch as last year. The Apple Watch Series 5 is not super affordable, starting at $400, and in many ways it nearly the same watch that last year Apple Watch Series 4 was, but it always on display delivers one of the key features I have been waiting for. I noticed it a lot because now I can glance at the time when I am typing or casually watching TV or driving. No more weird aims twisted. Its features that long overdue. So the Samsung Galaxy Watch and the Google Wear OS has had always on modes for years. Always on does not improve battery life. In fact, it makes things a bit worse. But among smartwatches, the Apple Watch stand as the most feature-filled, well-performing wearable in existence. You still need a iPhone to use the Apple Watch, but if you have one, it's almost certainly your best bet. It hurts to find any other smartwatch that's glanceable or quick to respond to message and calls. As most of the competition has disappeared, the Apple Watch position as the best iOS watch keep strengthening. I have won the Series 5 for a new month for a few months now, and it's handled my needs in all ways. It's not a perfect device, but in the world of wearables, it about as close as you can get. Just understand the always on display is the only key new features in the Apple Watch Series 5. You can need that features, but other than better battery life. It's the one thing I was looking for. If you want an Apple Watch for less, if you can find last year's Series 4 on sale, it should feel nearly the same apart from the always on the screen. And the Series 3 at the half the price is well worth considering too. As compass which point you in the right direction when navigation with maps. The iPhone has had one since the 3GS. And international SOS triggers on cellular watches. No cellular contract need. No premium, more expensive. Finishing in the titanium and ceramic. That if you are not interested in any of these features, you can now get last year Apple Watch Series 4 on clearance from the plenty of retailers. So if you don't need ECG or the Series 4 larger 40 or 44 display, Apple still sells the 38 and 42 Series 3 at the new official price of $200, which is basically what the watch sales price was for the most of the last year. As all that said, the new display is a killer features. I have been wearing the aluminum Apple Watch 5 and I feel in love with the always on edition. It's now wired to look at the older models without it. But it's not always what you might think it. I am now using the Apple Watch more like a normal watch, and I keep thinking about all the peoples everywhere with Apple Watches on showing blank dark screens. That's eventually going to change. The interesting watch faces will show up maybe once that match the watch's band. The new watch faces in Apple newest versions of its watch software, Watch OS 6, are great. There are 34 watch faces now with the hundreds of variations. A solar dial face shows sunset and sunrise with room for addition and other bits of info such as weather or the date. Fresh information rich watch faces such a Meridian and the modular compact offer new mixes of shortcuts to apps. Download Watch OS 6 before you get a new Apple Watch because its added features, which include podcast and a ambient noise meter, could make your old watch feel new. But even with these options, I find myself getting bored and looking for novelty. I did like a watch face store for the third party developers to add unique design, and that still has not arrived. The always on feature further commands that desire. Maybe this will pave the way for Apple to allow third party watch faces. Perhaps a curated collection from well known designers to start. Apple making the always on display work via new OLED display technology that slows and dims the display, freezing animation but offering up that always on readout. One side benefit: the screen auto adjust better in low light, like in movie theaters. It will be interesting to see if the display tag end up in order in other devices, including future iPhones, which a lot of people still use as their main device for telling time. So Apple promise 18 hours of battery life with always on in life with always on enabled by default. The new LED display cycles down its refresh rate and display lower its brightness and reduces animations. So far, I have been getting roughly a day and a half. You could turn off always on, and I am testing that next to see how much better the battery life could be. Originally, I said I want affect battery life, and as I have kept using it, I have seen it limp to the end of a day with less remaining battery life than on the Series 4. On average, maybe I will be in 20% or less territory turning off always on, however, bring it to exactly the battery life of the Series 4. Either way, the watch needs a recharge at night. Pick your poison. So Apple did not allow other apps to stay always on, which remains when they are open. After a few seconds, they will disappear and a small generic digital watch face will pop up. If you had a dream of having anything on the watch stay always on, you are out of luck. This can be helpful through if you have sensitive info on your watch. Turning it always with cloud it from view like a privacy system. The watch waits to sense skin contact before triggering always on. When it off your wrist, the display still turn off. Samsung, much like Samsung or Wear OS watch faces, Apple's transform in the ambient always on stable moving second hand disappear. Background colors tend to fade to black or dim. Redouts shrink a bit. Some watch faces just look dimmed while other take a second. Cool identity. Some are just pouring along watch hands.